Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to invert horizontal camera on Wukong game. So, firstly, we should click Escape to open Equipment menu, and here we have Settings. Click on it. Afterwards, on the left panel, choose Camera, and here we have Invert Horizontal Camera. So, this setting reverses the horizontal movement of the camera. For example, if you push the right stick or if you use controller, because here we have controller settings, as you can see, and here we have invert horizontal camera for mouse. So you should choose it in controller block or in mouse block if you use mouse to play. So for example, in case controllers, so when you push the right stick to the right or move the mouse to the right, the camera will pan left instead of right and vice versa. So players who are used to inverted controls or prefer them might turn this on. When it's off, so the camera will move in the normal direction you put the stick or move the mouse. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!